What's up, guys? I'm playing Mining Simulator today.
Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today we're playing Mining Simulator. Okay. And I'm pretty sure my main account has oh shoot, I'm not paying attention. Has a private mine, so dang it. Because I'm not online, I bet. Okay, first let's go to the quest. Mine 10 dirt, okay. That's all I could really hold anyway, so. Oh, because that's grass. Ten stone. Okay. Oops. Okay, there we go. Now we can get the next quest completed. Fossils. We need to mine 100 stone. So, ooh, we got harder to break stone. Oh, we got a wooden chest. Let's go. Okay, so now that we're rich, oh, I forgot it was 350, not 250. There's a lot of stuff around here, but this copper's got a lot of cash for me since I'm a starter. Ooh, ooh, who's got so much. There we go. Now we get the large backpack. Damn it. I just gotta roll mine like 4 grasses. Oh, I thought the mine filled in for a second. Boom, now you can get the mattock. Okay, now it's big for a pet. I just started, and can I get a free pet? I'm a YouTube vid. I just started, and can I get a pet? I'm recording a YouTube vid. Thanks. This will help a lot. Thanks, this will help a lot. My channel is that one fluffy box. Roblox. Thanks, my channel is that one fluffy box Roblox. This vid will go up in 1 hour. Okay, let's equip their shiny orange bat. It's not that good, but it's it be light like a bat increases your jump power by. Okay, so it doesn't do nothing, but it changes my value. Maybe in the next game I could beg for a pet. Ooh. What's the next quest? Hatch a common egg. 500 blocks. Okay, next I'm gonna go check how much is the next backpack. I bet it'll be 300. Backpacks. What? Okay, I guess we're going for the next shovel. Going to go get that stone because it'll probably sell for a lot. Or it's just fossils, I don't know. Dinosaur bones. And some copper, sweet. No! Might as well just go sell so I can get the next. 2K. Here, I'm gonna go big for subscribers. Can you guys sub to my channel? It's called That One Fluffy Box. Can you guys sub to my channel? It's called That One Fluffy Box Roblox. Can we go in this corner so nobody comes into my line? Great, now I have a guy in my mine. Are you freaking kidding me? I ran all this way. Come on, someone has a nuke. I'll go in this corner. We just got 50 free coins and it didn't even take a while to spot my inventory. I kind of want the teleporter game pass. So now I could just place it on the side and I could just... Oh sweet, I got mine 500 bucks award. How much more to my egg hash? There's 290. Don't go down my hole, thank God. There's the guy with the nukes. My bag's falling up fast. Hopefully I can get a better pet than that one that guy gave me. No offense to him. Well, if he watches my videos, he's probably gonna get mad and dislike it. Well, it was a nice thing to do to give me the pet. It's just that it's only cell. It's not like mind speed cell. It's not like mind speed something else. Okay, good. I'm still recording. Ooh, purple mouse. Stay low, move fast. Having this pet equipped will boost your walk speed by 30. This guy again. Bro, why don't you just leave me alone? God. Wait, is that freaking gold? Stop, stop, stop. Stop. God. Oops, wrong thing. I want backpacks. Finally, we got the potato sack. Ugh. Okay, let me check this pet now. Stay low, move fast. Having this pet equipped, lose your walk speed by 3% and mining speed. Okay, so I will equip this pet for when I mine. And I'll equip the other pet for when I'm gonna sell. Okay, I guess I'm gonna mine down here now. Jesus. Pezzo Tati. Sweet, I just got Pezzo Tati. I don't know what this guy's doing. Okay, finally I'm out of that hole. Yes, 1,000 cash. My God, you always have to go into my mines. Jesus Crip. So you went in my mine too. God. I can't even see a thing. Oh man, let me just boost my freaking brightness. Oh God, that's bright. Let me just turn that down a bit. Golden chest, let's go. We're about to get golden chest and ching and some pezzo tea. Don't know what that is, but okay, so we can get a I'm richer than Scotiabank. You're richer than you think. Ooh, I can get the sport. Let's go. Skipping the whatever it's called. You and Z-Top? Are you freaking Wait, let me mine that quartz. Sweet. Let me just mine up. Damn it. I'm already out of... Frick, I forgot about to switch pets. I'll just... Hi, Woody. I'm just gonna go down here. Wooden chest, no! That guy has nothing and I have nothing, so. Oh sweet, we're at Avid Miner now. So doesn't that challenge require fossils? Okay, we need copper, dinosaur bones, and quartz. So I better get down there. Oh my God, are you kidding me? The noob came down in my mine. How much is the next bag? 3,500. Okay. We gotta get that Pezototite and that gold chest. Well, the noob is in here. Out of my hole. To get that copper, sweet. The noob didn't get the copper. This is that one fluffy box's hole. Oh my god. Just let me. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Don't come down here, noob. Only pros are allowed. Ooh, soul chest. Can't believe I caught that at the edge of my screen. Okay, all I need is 2 more dinosaur bones and 3 quartz. Oh, I keep forgetting to exchange to my cell pet. Whatever. Wait, that quartz? Let's go, quartz. Oh my god, you see how much cash I get when I switch to the... Oh, it's a shiny orange bat, no wonder. Let's go buy the next backpack. How much is the next, like, tool? 6K. That's probably the amount for the next pack. So I'm gonna get the next backpack. Kids, get down there. Whoop! Wooden chest. What's that purple thing right? Oh, it's just my pet. Are you kidding me? No, stop! There's so many freaking quartz here that I'm missing them. You really had to throw a freaking nuke. Oh my god, what a little ass. Whoops, sorry. Didn't mean to say that. Now I'm going to get demonetized. Oh no. How much more quartzes do I need? 1 quartz? Okay, we got all our quartz. Now all we need is dinosaur bones. Where the heck? We can get those. Oh, there's a dead body here. Skeleton stone. Look, there's another one. Okay, thank God that guy is gone. No more dinosaur bones? There we go. Gold chest, let's go. We're finding the jackpot, boys. We need 1 more dinosaur bones. Then we can get out of here. Well, then we can complete the quest. But, oh, come on, man. I forgot to change my pet. I would have got half of that. I would have got 2,500 more. Are you kidding me, you little noob? This is my town. It ain't big enough for the 2 of us. What the heck? What the hell? Bro, I'm too poor to afford all this stuff. Gotta get out of there. Because there would be no dinosaur bones down there. Because that's where the rich people mine. Hey, the rich people. And I'm a poor person. I'm talking like go too fast. Gold. Gold. Oh, come on. Hopefully there's some dino bones behind here. Dino bones? What about behind this coal? Dang it again. Forgot to change pets. Oops, wrong button. Oh, okay. I need like 500 more. Oh my god, don't you dare come down here. Thank you. Come on, there has to be bones somewhere here. Bones? Bro, are you kidding me? No bones. Oh, I forgot again. Once again, I want to pull out my hairs. Don't come down here. And what does she do? Come down here. Oh, I need to mine faster, stronger. I meant no, I need to buy the next bag. I forgot about not buying the next bag. Come on, there has to be some bones here somewhere. Wish I had a nuke. Come on, there's gotta be bones somewhere. Oh, let's go quartz, baby. Gold. That's a gold chest. Let's go. We're already hit another gold chest. My nose is peeling. Dinosaur bones behind it too. Let's go. We're doing so good. Another gold chest. And if there's another dinosaur bones, that'll be like so lucky. But what is this place? I know it's like, no! I would have got so much money. Yeah, cut the... $1,000 stone? Easy, bro. Easy. Golden chest. Come on. Mine 5K blocks. Come on, boys. Can we hit? Can we hit 100 blocks? Let's go, baby. Wait. Let's go, 5K. Okay, let's get a new tool. We got the lawnmower, boys. This thing will mine our the blocks fast. Finally, the noob stays up there. Oh, we hit the brighter blocks. What's that little piece of gold right there? It's only gold, not golden chest. Oh, my arms are really hurting. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Okay, I'm a supreme miner. It's the 5th one. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you liked it. See ya. Oh, whoops.